Yo. What is up, guys? JAMAICA'S came here with another reaction. And today, guys, we're here with Getz, Daily Duppy, GRM Daily, 5 million subs. GRM Daily, big up on yourself. Milestone, big up on the damn self, yo. That is an achievement in itself. So big up on yourself to get there. Big up all of the people who featured on GRM Daily. It's been a lot of people, a lot of young artists as well get brought to the forefront. So we're here today for Getz Daily Duppy. I've been hounded by people in my DM on Instagram. If you not follow my Instagram, it is Jamaica_rest_game on Instagram. It's flashing somewhere up there, so you can follow it and you can link up. So let's jump straight to that one and see what the G say, cause you know, so gets them about disappoint, right? Let's go.
Just when I thought I was out, they pulled me back in.
Just when I thought that I was out, they pulled me back in. Scenery different. Whoa.
Take the pagan's belly, shoot man like Nathan Tetty. The grime scene try alienate me, the garage just called, set the spaceships ready. Take the pagan's belly, shoot man like Nathan Tetty. The grime scene try alienate me, the garage just called, set the spaceships ready. I hate when the real one dies, cause Lord knows there ain't that many. Just know the revenge is sweet and I smell her on payback heavy.
Getz. Big up yourself, bro. Getz is in a class by himself, dog. Getz is in a class where everybody else Skype school. Him alone in the class. Not even the teacher in the class. Him alone in the class I teach himself. Bro. Getz different, brother. Yo.
Me, the garage just called, set the spaceships ready. I hate when the real one dies, cause Lord knows there ain't that many. Just know the revenge is sweet and I smell her on payback heavy. Fuck that conference, crush man's confidence. Jump out the 5 series, giving up boy the old omnibus.
I don't want to pass too much, but me have to. Like, I'm sorry. Let's go. Let me try and pause as less as possible, guys.
Crushman's confidence. Jump out the 5 series, giving up boy the old omnibus. Really stender, no pretender. Dance on the grub, weekender. Them boy there, they must have forgotten, but they're way too young to suffer from dementia.
Hey! Oh, no forgot! Oh, no for bumbo clock get how me be? Oh, no, we are too young for suffer from dementia. So don't tell the lie. Oh, no member, but you're not going to no member. Oh, no member, nah? Oh, no more than member. So let's go.
Selective memory. I may open the boy's head, talk, go inside and select that memory. Oh.
Alright. Selective memory. I might open the boy's head top and go in and select that.
Kenda, them boy there, they must have forgotten, but they're way too young to suffer from dementia. Selective memory. I may open the boy's head, talk, go inside and select that memory. Oh, now you remember when we empty. Nice 5 in the booth with a 9 by my side like Northside Benji. Violate Jan and it's corn by February. For an MC, I'm way too skengly. Rock man to sleep, but not gently. I knew my technique will develop eventually. You're never gonna end me, you get me, but can't get me. Me caught lacking, some hot.
AB. Get his AB. Get his alien brain. Get his alien brain, bro. No joke. Like, no fucking joke. AB.
Late Jan and it's corn by February. For an MC, I'm way too skengly. Rock man to sleep, but not gently. I knew my technique will develop eventually. You're never gonna end me, you get me, but can't get me. Me caught lacking. Summer holiday with the gang, my boy. That means we're all packing. You ain't a man if you never had a fist to fist, and I can say that I'm heavy ball bagging. So why you got your mouth wide again? Like say you can't get me. Me caught lacking. Summer holiday with the gang, my boy. That means we're all packing. You ain't a man if you never had a fist to fist, and I can say that I'm heavy ball bagging. So why you got your mouth wide again? Like say you ain't coming outside again. I'm by the window, rifle, Malcolm in the last of the Mohicans, scalping him. You see them man are YouTube verbal niggas. Us man are on-site circle niggas. Them man are narrative curveball niggas. Us man are glove up and thermal niggas.
Yo, the younger generation of the rap scene, if you take note of people like Getz. Take notes, brother. Which, can somebody please leave it in the comment section which so-called young artists bad like Getz or have more lyrics than Getz? Which one? None! None! Only not have more lyrics than him. Only need to take note. Go back to school. Go him school. Link him. Make him teach you some things, brother. Cause no fun sing fuckery. No fun sing be a fuckery. Be a fuckery someone sing. When you move and go. Move! Blood clot.
Malcolm in the last of the Mohicans, scalping him. You see them man are YouTube verbal niggas. Us man are on-site circle niggas. Them man are narrative curveball niggas. Us man are glove up and thermal niggas. Internet, I ain't into it. I read between lines of intellect. I can't entertain their interest even when I wanna say you're incorrect. I tell her up I got something for his.
I can't entertain them. Hey, what me say? AB, alien brain. On the deaf.
Glove up and thermal niggas. Internet, I ain't into it. I read between lines of intellect. I can't entertain their interest even when I wanna say you're incorrect. I tell her up I got something for his head top. No one on earth can intercept. I'm on a mountain now with a gambling problem, which means I'm into bet. They can never get away with disrespect. My young boys touch, risk and live protects. My old thing left, but I put a target on your back, boy, and I don't miss the X. Banana knock your infrared. Someone call the coroner infidel. Ayow, nobody come when I indirect. Come on, I real life hindrance.
Hold up. Wait a minute. Something ain't right.
I'm into bet. They can never get away with disrespect. My young boys touch, risk and live protects. My old thing left, but I put a target on your back, boy, and I don't miss the X. Banana knock your infrared. Someone call the coroner infidel. Ayow, nobody come when I indirect. Come on, I real life hindrance. I'm from a different time. Book of Eli, I go different blind. So many flows I don't use anymore, but give me that back. I think that's mine. I don't ask and borrow. Mask of Zorro. Man, just flick it and zigzag, guys. I burn toe and bridges whenever these pricks wanna bring bad vibes. Steady with it, head, chest and belly with it. Go and get yours, I'm already with it. New whip, ain't seen many with it. I be in a dance full of glass, full of Henny in it. Are you ready, did it? Ooh, there's levels to this. 20-year career and not a penalty missed.
Yo, shout out to Caesar, man.
Oh! 20-year career and a penalty miss. And I'm a striker. He's not a goalkeeper. He's not a defender. He's not a centre mid. He's a what? Striker. 20-year and not one penalty miss.
In it. Are you ready, did it? Ooh, there's levels to this. 20-year career and not a penalty missed. If it wasn't for me, some of your favorites would never exist, man.
I'm telling you a blood clot a while ago. Me just telling you a while ago. What I'm telling you say, young artists, if you take notes, brother, not bad like him. The man said better say if it wasn't for me, no found a favorite wouldn't exist. No joke. No joke. In a normal, brother.
But not a penalty missed. If it wasn't for me, some of your favorites would never exist.
No.
Murder, not attempted. I push my burner. An appendix, make man curl up.
Man say you a murder, not attempted. Me no miss. The man just tell the same, no miss, you know. Murder, not attempted murder. This is a me push. Yo.
Exist, murder, not attempted. I push my burner. An appendix, make man curl up. It's horrendous. Feds wanna search us. We legged it. Now I'm in the German with the members. I got a surgeon and agendas.
Feds wanna search us. We legged it. Now I'm in a German. German whip him attack. Now I'm in a German. Jesus, man. What up? Yeah! Yeah!
pegged it. Now I'm in the German with the members. I got a surgeon and agendas. Another thing, I cover skin like Jurgens with a vengeance. I told man don't take it personal. The belly's in reach, the jacket's reversible. How you want it diagonal or vertical? Your reality's far from virtual. You want smoke, my nigga, I'm terminal. Fuck the other side, I ain't crossing no bridge.
You want smoke, brother? I'm terminal. When you have a terminal illness, it kill you, dog. You want smoke, pussy? I'm terminal. Deaf? You deaf? Brother.
Get personal, the belly's in reach, the jacket's reversible. How you want it diagonal or vertical? Your reality's far from virtual. You want smoke, my nigga, I'm terminal. Fuck the other side, I ain't crossing no bridge anytime soon, brother, I burnt them all. I'm from the city of Troy, I prefer the war.
Me not cross the bridge anytime soon, nigga, me burn them all. Me burn all of my bridge them, brother. Man said that loud and proud with him chest. Burn him bridge them. Cause some bridge deserve to get burnt too. I agree.
The other side, I ain't crossing no bridge anytime soon, brother, I burnt them all. I'm from the city of Troy, I prefer the war. I got one on 𝐑𝐄𝐂𝐓𝐈𝐎𝐍 album week.
Yo, big up the editors. Big up the fucking editors, dog. Big up the editors, brother, for that video, yeah, brother. Big up the Gram Daily edit. Me always up in every Gram Daily thing that me make, me ever big up the, me ever big them up. Yo, them talented, brother, them talented.
Prefer the war. I got one on 𝐑𝐂𝐂𝐓𝐈𝐎𝐍 album week. Mountain Peak, Shaolin Steez, how his heat. Lost a bit of weight, but the pounds increase. Calm Getz got the whole scene puzzled. Man wanna know where I found this piece. I ain't gotta shout, just speak. You can scream your...
Yo. You do realize that this is a history in front of the eyes, right? Like, there will never be a next Getz in the UK scene like this, right? You don't know that, right? Yo, cherish this brother, yeah. Cherish him. Cherish Getz, dog. I'm telling you that. Give the man him flowers before him dead, brother. We're not ready to give man flowers still, but give the man him praises before him dead, brother. Yo. Living legend, dog. Living legend. Never die.
Shaolin Steez, how his heat. Lost a bit of weight, but the pounds increase. Calm Getz got the whole scene puzzled. Man wanna know where I found this piece. I ain't gotta shout, just speak. You can scream your name in the world, my guy, and you still wanna sound this deep. I'm looking for my man. Where's my man? I'm just out here counting sheep. Shooters outside like Downing Street. I don't care who you know, but I got Dowson reach.
Dawson Reach? I don't care if I got Dawson Reach. Yo! Those people who don't know who Dyson is, they don't need to go check out Delson.
Deep shooters outside like Downing Street. I don't care who you know, but I got Dowson reach. I told my dark skin thing, wipe the browning clean.
I told my dark skin thing, wipe the browning clean. Browning them handgun. Wipe it off clean. Right? Because him just make a duppy with it. Yo. Dog. Me not have nothing to say. If you don't want to like it, you don't like it. If you don't want to like it, don't like it. Right now, me not too care right now. I don't care. Because I know what I said in the video. I got step on a lot of people can. You not have to like it. Move on the bomber clot. That me say. Me gone.